Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the US dollar CAD, like I've been saying for really months now, I still think this is an A, I still think this is a B, possibly could be a 1-2, and I still think this is more likely to go down for a wave C or maybe even a wave 3. Probably more likely a wave C, though. So anyways, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first push down is a wave 1. I still think this move up is a wave 2. We did miss this Fibonacci level by a little bit, but boy, it definitely looks like this could be ending a wave 2. If it is the end of a wave 2, then this would be the beginning of a big downtrend, which would be a wave 3 of wave C, just like I showed on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily. On the daily time frame, like I said, we did miss this fib level by a few pips, but it's definitely close enough for me to call a hit. We do have non-farm payroll news coming out tomorrow, which is a very big event for the dollar. So it's going to be interesting to see. A lot of the dollar pairs look like they've ended a crescent. The US dollar CAD almost looks like it could still be a crescent to the uptrend. So it's going to be interesting to see what tomorrow's news does. If this weekly time frame candle actually closes very bearish, then I'm going to say that it's pretty much confirmed that the wave 2 is over and that we are going down for that big old wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on here because like I said, if it is a crescent, we definitely want to recognize it as a crescent. If we get a nice fib bounce, a nice break of structure, it could be worth going long because it could easily continue the uptrend. But it's going to be interesting to see what tomorrow's non-farm payroll actually does. If this actually does drift up between now and tomorrow, then I would say tomorrow's news is actually going to cause it to continue the downtrend, and this really is the end of a wave C of wave 2 on the longer time frames, which most of the pairs do look like the crescent is over. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely continue to look for shorts. The only thing that would turn me into a buyer is if I saw like a crescent, another move down, and then a break of structure. If I see that, then I would definitely become a buyer. But until then, I would for sure 100% be looking for pullback entries like this pullback here to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. Hopefully, this really is the end of a wave 2 on the higher time frames, and we're at the very early stages of a big downtrend for a big wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here below, and don't forget to check out my membership program at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.